Rustic decorative technique emphasizes the texture of the patina and emphasizes the aesthetics of the industrial style, making each interior original. In creating a unique look of the interior enriched with BK Rustic, the application of appropriate tools will serve as a decorative technique. Start additional inspiration and artistic freedom with a clothing style that protects and motivates you. The first step in performing the Rustic decorative technique is the application of BK Deco acrylic base for decorative materials, tinted according to the selected final decorative shade. Acrylic base effectively evens out the surface and improves the adhesion of decorative materials, and after mixing it is applied crosswise with a long-haired roller or brush on previously cleaned surfaces. The next step in performing the decorative technique involves applying BK Rustic decorative coating with a rustic rust effect. Washable paint for interior decoration is suitable for a modern ambience inspired by a rustic style. It is characterized by good vapor permeability, as well as ease of achieving the effect of rust on the wall. A palette of selected unique shades is presented in the Rustic decorative catalog. Before use, it is necessary to slowly mix BK Rustic material, and then apply it in one layer with cross strokes with a brush. If you want to achieve greater fullness on wall surfaces, it is recommended to apply the material in 2 layers. After 20 to 30 minutes, when the material begins to dry, light pressing and smoothing of the surface is performed using a trowel. Depending on the desired effect, pressing can be done in the diagonal direction or in all directions. Rustic decorative technique boldly emphasizes extravagant design aesthetics.